welcome to my kitchen. There's nothing I love more than a classic Italian dish. So today's dish is chicken marsala. It's a great, simple Italian dish made with chicken, mushrooms, and wine. For this dish, you're going to need a half cup chicken stock and a half cup marsala wine combined, a quarter cup of yellow onion, diced, and 2 to 3 cups of sliced mushrooms. 2 chicken breasts halved. You'll need a half teaspoon of thyme, a half teaspoon of garlic powder, a quarter teaspoon of salt, and about an 1/8 teaspoon of black pepper. 3 tablespoons of butter. You'll need 2.5 to 3 cups of pasta. I prefer egg noodles for this dish. 1/2 cup of unbleached flour. I'm going to start with 2 tablespoons of butter in a hot pan. I want to make sure that I use a big enough pan that all of my chicken has room to cook. Now I'm going to add the seasonings that we put together into my flour, mix it in, and very lightly I'm going to dredge each piece of chicken. Now these are nice, just a little bit brown. I'm going to go ahead and flip them, let them cook on the other side. Okay. Now while I've got those browning, I've got a pot of water boiling. I'm going to go ahead and add my pasta. Stir. Then I'm going to set a timer for about 8 minutes. We want to cook them stirring occasionally during that time. So now I'm going to remove these from the skillet, put them into another pan. Now that these are all nice and brown and they smell amazing, I'm going to go ahead and stick them in a warm oven so that they don't get cold while I make the sauce. In this same pan, I'm going to add the remaining tablespoon of butter. Now to this butter, I'm going to add all of that yellow onion that I have. And while that sautés, I'm going to go ahead and slice up the remainder of my mushroom. Now, while this is going, I'm going to go ahead and drain my pasta. The next step is to add our wine and chicken stock. This is called deglazing the pan, if you want to be fancy. Now, I'm going to take my chicken out of the oven and add these right back to the pan with the sauce and mushrooms and let them simmer just a little bit longer. And that's going to help thicken up our sauce a little bit. Just see how awesome it is. It's great. It's perfect. Salt and pepper to taste. Add more or less of whatever you like. I'm going to go ahead and plate because I'm starving and this smells amazing. Just like that. Don't have a lot of noise just then. Now that looks amazing. Perfect. It was perfect. You should eat it right now.